Good afternoon, seventh grade class. There is no Zoom today, but I am posting your assignment to the Google Classroom. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on this form right here, and you need to fill out the form. So the form asks you to put your name, your nombre, and if you did your work today. Si hiciste el trabajo. You're going to answer yes, sí, or no. Okay? The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the Google Classroom and you're going to click on the classwork button. So right here at the very top, it says share ideas, poetry collection. You're going to click on that. Okay. You're going to go to the Pearson Savas link and you're going to click on it. Okay, and you have 3 poems to read. So let me pull it up. It's a little bit different on mine. Okay, when you open up your assignment, it's called Share Ideas, Poetry Collection 1, Abuelita Magic, Mother to Son, and to James. So you're going to click on it. Lo vas a picar. And you have 3 poems that you have to read. Tienes 3 poemas que necesitas leer. If you would like to hear it, you can put the sound to hear para escuchar. Okay, hay 3 poemas. So it's called Abuelita Magic, Mother to Son, and this one is called, let me see, to James. Right here, there are some questions. Okay, hay preguntas. Response. Okay, you need to respond right here. Tienes que responder aquí. There is a comprehension. Tienes que responder aquí. And there is a strategy question. Tienes que responder aquí. All right? So, this is your work for today, el trabajo para hoy. So, please make sure you complete that. If you finish, then you need to go to the Launchpad. You need to go to the Eisenhower Library. You need to click on the Sora app. And you need to read your book in the Sora app. Okay, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye, everybody.